If you're a real bass head chasing deep, hard-hitting lows, not every subwoofer will live up to the hype. In fact, some popular models completely fail to deliver the power, depth, and durability serious bass lovers need. Today on autoNmoto, we're counting down the top 5 worst car subwoofers for bass heads that you should absolutely avoid. First, Boss Audio Subs. While Boss offers big wattage numbers on paper, the reality is disappointing. Their subs are built with cheap materials, distort quickly at moderate volumes, and can't handle real RMS power. For bass heads demanding hard-hitting lows, Boss simply can't compete. Second, Planet Audio Subs. These are aggressively priced, but the low cost comes with major sacrifices. Poor build quality, weak cone materials, and frequent mechanical failures under stress make them a terrible choice if you plan to run high wattage daily. Third, Rockville K5 and K6 series subs. Rockville is known for loud marketing, but real-world performance often falls short. While the K5 and K6 lines get loud, they lack deep low-end extension and start to distort heavily at higher power levels, something a true bass head will immediately notice. Fourth, generic no-name Amazon/eBay subs. You'll find plenty of 2000W or 3000W subs online for dirt cheap prices, but they're almost always poorly engineered. They can't handle real power, offer almost no sound quality, and often fail within weeks if pushed hard. Real bass requires real engineering, not flashy fake numbers. Fifth, Pyle Blue Wave subs. These are marketed heavily to budget-conscious buyers, but their shallow sound, poor excursion, and extremely limited power handling make them one of the worst choices for anyone serious about bass. Even modest systems can overpower these subs easily. In conclusion, true bass heads need subs that are durable, deep-hitting, and reliable under extreme conditions. Choosing the wrong sub not only ruins your sound system, it wastes your money and your time. Always invest in proven brands built for real bass performance if you want your system to live up to the hype. For more professional car audio reviews and real-world system advice, subscribe to autoNmoto.